Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you a recipe. Anyway, I get the request for 5 healthy breakfasts in the morning and also in the evening. But guys, if you want something, please write it below and I will definitely make them for you. And also, this recipe is just to show you how you can be healthy and eat healthy in the morning. You don't need to have anything too heavy or eat any dry stuff in the morning. But simple fruits and some nice lovely glass of water or something simple, guys, can have for breakfast in the morning. But anyway, I want to say thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to the YouTube channel. And also, at the moment, we're looking at 50,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you, guys. Thank you. Me myself couldn't do nothing. It's all about you. Many times I know I do mistake and some of my fans them correct me, you know what I mean? We just keep growing and you know what I mean? We have to start from somewhere, and if it doesn't start from somewhere, you're not gonna reach anyway. So that's why we start from somewhere. But anyway, I wanna say thank you so much, guys. You've been brilliant to Chef Ricardo and the team, and we work very hard. We know we cook every single day. Every day we are in the kitchen cooking all kind of food. So you know, Chef Ricardo get the chance. The team always have to put up even a 3-4 video for the day. We can put it up because we cook every day. Thank you so much. I can't thank you so much, guys. We are at 50,000 subscribers and we will reach that 100,000 subscribers and we will reach up to, you never know, up to 1 million. So guys, thank you so much and hopefully we can do better in the future, and we on the team working very hard. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye. Lovely and nice. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving your favorite recipe day by day. Anyway, you know, someone asked me, Chef Ricardo, I need 5 different kind of recipe, 5 morning, and I need some recipe for 8. So basically, I just have the ideas, you know what I mean, and I share my ideas with the fans them, because a lot of fans like my show and a lot of fans log on by my show because them say, Chef Ricardo, you are the best. Me represent the Caribbean. Anyway, right over here I have some banana. This is some ripe banana right here, guys, and basically this is how you want to have your breakfast in the morning. A finger ripe banana. Be careful of too much sweet stuff, alright? Second thing, I got some fresh mint right here. Nothing do well like fresh mint. Guys, fresh mint is one of the best you could ever have in the morning also for breakfast. Get a nice lovely glass of water like this, what you see what I'm doing right here, guys. Put this fresh mint straight in the water like this. Look at that. That is fantastic, beautiful. Right over here I have a lemon. And I'm gonna do simple one of this thing for you right here by lovely and nice. Put a 2 nice lovely slice of a lemon inside of a water like that. Allow it for roughly about 10 minutes in the water before you drink it for breakfast in the morning. Lovely and nice. Second thing, right over here, I got red apple, which is very good. Nice lovely half of a red apple. And also orange. You don't need a whole orange. That's really enough for you for breakfast in the morning. Right over here I have some grape. Few grapes, that's fine. Right over here I have some Parmesan grind right here. And all I'm gonna do, a lot of people doesn't know how to do the pomegranate, guys, but sometimes you get the pomegranate and sometimes they come like this one, or you can see is a little bit different because see it doesn't red, but you doesn't need all of the pomegranate right here. So I'm just simply putting it right here, as you guys can see. You can have the seed in the morning for breakfast, and also let's make you guys can see exactly what's going on right here, because I don't want you to think Chef Ricardo been doing anything wrong. I want you guys to see what Chef Ricardo been doing. Alright, basically this is exactly what I'm talking about here. You can pick up the seed them bits by bits and eat them just as it is right there. And as you can see, you can do this 5 mornings straight by changing your fruits. Tomorrow morning you can have a green apple, and the next morning you can have grapefruit. The next morning you can have like red grape. But I would say keep on the water with the fresh mint and the lemon for 5 mornings straight, and then you will see the result. So this is just a a 5 morning healthy breakfast in different ways, or you can do it. You can have the pomegranate seed for 5 mornings straight because the seed is really good. For me, I just eat the seed. I just scrape it out and eat the seed because I like the seed. But as you can see, this is just 5 morning straight breakfast. I would say, please guys, if you're gonna do a 5 morning healthy breakfast, you don't need to eat cereal or getting Weetabix or no. You wanna get 5 healthy morning breakfast. Weetabix is healthy, but you have to be careful with Weetabix. You know what I mean? So and you still have to be careful with apple and fruits because it's also sweet. So please hold back on certain things. But that's what I'm saying. The glass of water and the mint and the lime, the lemon will combine together and it will just kill that sweetness. So basically this is exactly what Chef Ricardo have been talking about. Requesting for 5 morning breakfast, healthy breakfast recipe like these. The fans them need to see. A lot of people in this world is mostly going healthy. The reason why, because it's the best way is to be healthy and cut back on a lot of things, fatty food, and also a lot of people like fries and all these things. It's not good. Lunchtime, you can have a salad for lunch. You know what I mean? There's recipe for salad. You know what I mean? Salad is really good. You can have a simple salad for recipe. Dinner time, you can have something like some steamed veg for dinner if you want to be a 5 days diet recipe. And if you want me to make all of these recipe, 5 morning straight and 5 lunchtime recipe, 5 evening recipe, please write it below. That's the only way I can do it, guys. If you write what you need below in the description box, I can make it for you. So this will be tomorrow morning, and you know what I mean, tomorrow lunchtime you can make yourself a salad. When you come from work in the evening, you can also make yourself some steamed veg. And during the day, you can have like a finger of a banana, or you know what I mean, you can drink some water, which is really good. 5 days straight. If you do that, you will see the result. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you. See you next time. Bye bye.